Welcome to Celebration and Honor channel. This channel is dedicated to celebrating global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, honoring the unsung heroes, professional bodies and organizations whose invaluable contributions often go unrecognized. And now, today's event, Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, Annual General Conference, 2025, Part 2. What does it mean to truly stand out and stand tall? It means choosing courage over silence, justice over convenience, and service over self. At this year's Nigeria Bar Association, NBA, Annual General Conference, we celebrate lawyers who do just that. Professionals who rise above challenges, lead with integrity, and use the power of law to defend what's right. In every courtroom, community, and conversation, lawyers shape the soul of our nation. Their voices echo in the fight against corruption, in protecting human rights, and in standing up for those who cannot stand for themselves. This video invites you to witness how the NBA empowers lawyers to lead with purpose and inspire change. Stay with us till the end. This episode will remind you why justice matters to us all. 2025 theme: Stand Out, Stand Tall, Part 2. Today, more than ever, Nigeria needs lawyers who are not afraid to be different. Lawyers who use their voice not just to argue, but to inspire. Not just to win cases, but to win back trust in the justice system. To stand out means choosing the harder path of truth in a world where shortcuts are tempting. To stand tall means defending the rule of law even when it's unpopular. Whether it's advocating for victims of abuse, ensuring fair elections, or guiding young citizens to understand their rights, lawyers carry the weight of justice on their shoulders. And when they rise, they lift the nation with them. Lawyers are not just courtroom figures in black robes. They are builders of society, drafting laws that protect lives, ensuring fair business practices, standing up for women, children, and the vulnerable, and holding leaders accountable. When they stand tall, we all rise. Whether through policy advocacy, legal education, or free legal aid, lawyers provide the bridge between the Constitution and everyday life. They help ensure that power does not crush the powerless, that disputes are settled fairly, and that peace has a solid foundation in justice. Just a quick break. If you are gaining something, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on notification to get updates on upcoming events. Subscription is free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Stories of impact. Adaeze, a young entrepreneur from Enugu who struggled to register her business and faced constant harassment from local officials. I was frustrated, she says, but after getting legal support through a pro bono lawyer at an NBA outreach, I got my license, and no one has harassed me since. I now mentor other young women like me. Mustafa, a farmer in Kaduna who nearly lost his land to a corrupt land grab. I didn't have the money to fight in court, but an NBA legal aid team took my case. Today my land is safe, and my children can farm with pride. These are just two of many lives changed by the quiet power of justice. Tribute to the unsung heroes of the legal profession. Behind every success are lawyers who work tirelessly, often without praise. To every public interest lawyer, legal aid volunteer, and advocate who gives time, knowledge, and heart, we thank you. You are the quiet strength behind fairness, peace, and the rule of law. To those watching, if you've never reached out to a lawyer, don't wait for trouble to find you. Legal help is not only for court cases, it's about protecting your rights, understanding your responsibilities, and building a future that's safe and fair for everyone. The NBA is here for you. Happy celebration of legal brilliance. And to every Nigerian lawyer out there, keep standing out, keep standing tall, and build a Nigeria where justice works for all. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes of the legal profession, the pillar of justice, the backbone of our legal system, and silent heroes of our nation. I hope you gain some valuable insight from today's episode. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly from my heart to yours. Love and blessings, Titus Ogbetere. Shalom. Now, upcoming global events coming next. 29th of August, International Day Against Nuclear Tests. 30th August, International Day of the Victims of Enforced Disappearance. 31st August, International Day for People of African Descent. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.